I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Oppo to Lebara, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Ensure your number is eligible for porting. It should be active with Oppo and not tied to any contract obligations. Step 2. Request a PSE code. Contact Oppo to request your porting authorization code PSE. You can do this via their website, app, or by calling customer service. Step 3. Sign up with Lebara. Once you have your PSE code, sign up for a Lebara plan. You can do this online or at a store. Make sure to enter your PSE during the sign-up process. Step 4. Confirm porting date. After signing up, Lebara will confirm the date your number will be ported. This usually happens within 1 working day. Step 5. Insert Lebara SIM. On the porting date, insert your new Lebara SIM into your phone. Your number should be active on the Lebara network. If it doesn't work immediately, try restarting your phone. Remember, if you don't receive your PSE code right away, it might take a few minutes, so be patient. Good luck with your switch to Lebara.